I think the most unique thing and the thing that I love the most is the real strong sense of community here. Well, San Luis Obispo is pretty much smack dab between Los Angeles and San Francisco, right on the Central Coast. One of my favorite things to do, especially in the summertime, is Friday music in the Mission Plaza, where you can come out and join with your community and listen to a great band and have a glass of wine and just have the best time ever. So one of the highlights of the town that everyone goes to visit is Bubblegum Alley. It's an alley just full of bubblegum. It sounds disgusting, and it is, but it's also pretty fun. San Luis Obispo is a very welcoming city, and we have lots of events to celebrate all the different aspects of our community. Also, just really being yourself here. I think that it's a place where you can come and not just relax, but really relax into yourself. And so we invite you to come to San Luis Obispo and do just that.
I love Ventura because we just have such a beautiful coastline. It's so different than anywhere here in California. And here in Ventura, we have a gorgeous beach for everybody. You can go down and take a walk by yourself on this beautiful beach where no one's at, or you can go surf with some of your best friends out on a perfect point break. I think we have something really unique here. There's just a beautiful stretch of coastline, and it's pristine, it's quiet, and then there's areas where it's busy and it's fun, and it's just a really great community. I love being able to walk into a restaurant and say hi to the owner, seeing families that are here in town, and really having that supportive community where I have people from all over flying in and wanting to come to Ventura and wanting to see what it is about our community that's so unique, and what it is about this coastline that I always tell people how fun it is. It's been really exciting to bring people here and share these beautiful waves with them and teach them about this ocean lifestyle that we live here in Ventura. We have clean water, gorgeous community, a beautiful coastline, and a wave pretty much for everybody, which is why I love it here so much.
I think Anaheim is a really unique community because it's so diverse and so energetic. It's in our DNA to be creative and enthusiastic about new things. My favorite thing to do on my day off is to go to Disneyland. When you go to Disneyland, you can tell with 100% certainty who's there for their first time. And that energy and excitement and happiness is just so contagious.
On West Street, just north of Lincoln, is the original Morton Bay fig tree that Walt Disney used when he was creating the Swiss Family Robinson tree house. You can just drive up, stand underneath it, and be in awe. One of the great things Anaheim has a lot of is breweries. So if you love beer, come to Anaheim. I love going to the Packing House. It's such an exciting place to go out to eat, to go out for a beer. There is so much wonderful food and drink just waiting for you to taste it.
There's so many things to do that are unique to Southern California. Gosh, within a couple of hours of Anaheim, we've got mountains, we've got beaches, we've got amusement parks, we've got other attractions, we've got an amazing collection of food and beer.
And it's just always exciting. There's always something fun happening.
The best thing about landing in the San Diego airport is you see the palm trees and you get the amazing weather and you know you've landed in California. San Diegans are a really casual, relaxed, fun-loving crowd. Our city really comes alive during the day, and that's because we take advantage of our beaches and hiking trails. We're out at happy hour. One of my favorite things to do in San Diego is head down to Imperial Beach on Friday nights to watch the sunset. That's also when they have a super fun farmers market that feels like a block party. The top 3 must-see experiences are definitely hiking Torrey Pines. You get amazing ocean views. You can also get views at Cabrillo National Monument. There's a hiking trail around the bay. And definitely go to Balboa Park. There's gardens, hiking trails, museums, gastropubs. There's so much you can do there. The best way to really get a feel for San Diego is to not just stick to downtown. Go to the cool indie shops in North Park, stroll the streets of South Park, try the super cool restaurants in Little Italy, and definitely make time to head up north to Encinitas to check out a cool beach town. One of my favorite can't-miss experiences in San Diego is heading down to Barrio Logan near downtown. It's marked by Chicano Park, which is a nationally designated historic site. It's a beautiful park with great outdoor murals under the Coronado Bridge, and there's amazing galleries with a strong arts and culture community, and there's great authentic Mexican food, which is a must. I wanted nice weather, I wanted sunshine, a relaxed city, and San Diego is all of those things. San Diego feels like a perpetual vacation.
We are a beautiful resort destination where you can come and unwind and get away from it all. You can relax, rejuvenate, hang poolside, take in the breathtaking scenery, and look at those incredible San Jacinto Mountains. Once you're completely relaxed and rejuvenated, there are so many amazing events in Greater Palm Springs year-round that truly offer unique experiences for everyone. Of course, we have the world-renowned music festivals, Coachella and Stagecoach. But my favorite, of course, is Modernism Week. I think you can't come to Greater Palm Springs without going on a modernism tour and seeing these spectacular and historic homes and buildings. The clean lines, the walls of glass, brightly colored doors, they are just plain fun. Welcome to Greater Palm Springs.
Well, for people who are coming to San Jose for the first time, get out, don't sit in your hotel. There's amazing food, wine, culture, everywhere you look. We have these beautiful mountains behind us, the Santa Cruz Mountains. We're just minutes from Monterey Bay. All you have to do is open your eyes and look. So many people just think that we're just technology and that's all we are. Well, San Jose has a very, very rich history in culture and agriculture and wine. The winery that we are here dates back to 1888 and has this really true natural history right here, just minutes from downtown San Jose. People ask what's special and unique about your area. I say talk to the people, get to know the various cultures that we have here in Silicon Valley. It is a very amazing mix of all the world's best people all right here.